guys, it's me, Kay. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all of you that have subscribed, and those of you that are new, thanks for watching, and please do subscribe. So in this video, I want to see if I can get some engagement from you guys. And what that means is I want you to tell me what you want to see and what you want me to do. So I've had people that emailed me, text me, or people that I see face to face that say, hey, how do you do this? How do you do that? Can you do this? Can you do that? But you know what? I want you to vote on this channel. I want you to put the information below, but I'm going to give you 3 choices of the things that I want to know if you want to see. If it's something totally different that you're interested, put that at the bottom too, but the majority is going to win. All right, I tried to do this for last week, but it didn't work out the way I wanted it to. So this time I'm putting out a video and I want you all to tell me out of these 3 things what you want to see next, okay? So the first thing is a chocolate peanut butter bar, okay? So that's number 1. The next thing is garlic and cheese biscuits. And these are all keto friendly. So none of these things are gonna hurt you, okay? So first one is the chocolate peanut butter bar. Second one is the garlic and cheese biscuit. And the third one is a cornbread. Yes, I said a cornbread. So we have the chocolate peanut butter bar, garlic and cheese biscuits, and the cornbread. Which one will you choose? I'm really interested to find out. Now, I really need some participation here, otherwise it won't work. I need everyone to let me know, at least all of my subscribers, to let me know what you want to see next. What are you really interested in? I think I have a feeling I know which one is going to win, only because the holidays are coming up. I think it's going to be that cornbread. And I'm going to give you a quick nugget here. Hold on one second. So I'm gonna make cornbread, okay? I'm gonna make my own cornbread, but I just ordered these because I wanted to see how good they are, because I wanted to feature them on the channel. So I haven't used them yet, but I just got me some cornbread mix, okay? So that's what these are. Corn-free bread is what it's called, okay? And it has 6 total carbs in it, 5 fiber, and absolutely no sugar, 0 sugar. So if you take the 5 fiber away from the 6 carbs, you get 1 net carb. So I am just all about trying these, okay? And again, the holidays, Thanksgiving is coming up. Thanksgiving happens to be my favorite holiday. So I am really interested to see how these taste and how I can doll them up to taste the way I want them to taste if they don't taste the way I want them to. So there's that. But the cornbread that I'm talking about in this challenge, in this video, is not that cornbread. It's going to be a different one, all right? And any one that we pick, I'm going to end up giving you the recipe, of course, and we'll go ahead and go through it. So again, I need you to vote, put the information at the bottom, say, hey, Kay, I want to see this. Hey, can you make this? If it's not one of these things on this list, that's fine. Put that down there too. I always want to know what you all want to see, okay? So again, it's the chocolate peanut butter bar, or a garlic cheese biscuit, or the cornbread. Let me know what you want to see, and let's see what happens. I'll talk to you guys soon. Remember, low carbs, low sugar, we can do it. You don't have to be in keto, just keep doing what you're doing. A lot of you guys have been reaching out to me. We've been doing a lot of coaching, and I am so proud of all of you that are losing those weight, knocking that weight off. I'm hearing 15 pounds, 20 pounds. You guys are really doing it. Stick to it, all right? And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.